is right around the corner, and we want you to ease right on into that new season feeling your best self.
Yeah, so to share some of the latest wellness trends and must-try products is our friend and beauty expert, Nicole Pearl.
Hi, Nicole. Another mama.
Yes.
We're celebrating. Hope you had a great Mother's Day.
I
Your
did,
three children. How old are they now?
They're now 14. You're testing me. 14, 13, and 9.
14, 13, and 9.
Irish twins.
Yes.
14, 13.
Yeah, and I've had them all through the times of the years with the show. So
yeah, with Wendy City Live.
Yeah.
So you can treat yourself to a good wellness treatment. That's one of your products here that you're going to be featuring.
We're going to be talking about Elite Wellness North Shore is the most amazing wellness center in Northfield. So it's for recovery, longevity. That's a big buzzword. So if you're
what about peptides and GLPs?
They've got it all. So what they're
That's a buzzword.
Yes. So they offer all kinds of amazing treatments. And you know what? Professional athletes go there like Cubs and Bears player. But if you want to increase your mobility as you age, if you're a mom and you want to relax, whatever it is, go to Elite Wellness. They are doing this amazing May package. It's acupuncture, massage, red light, and a movement assessment with a personal trainer for $199 for first-time clients. And you could check them out, elitestw.com, an amazing wellness center right here. So I take advantage.
I love hearing about new places. What's this?
Okay, so now we're going to talk about under eye patches. If you want to try, I've got them here. These are from MediHeal. They are the
I love these.
retinol collagen eye patches.
Yeah.
These have 5 types of high protein collagen that are going to do great for fine lines and wrinkles. So you can put them right on under your eyes. You could also do it. I like to wear them
the other way around?
No, this is right,
that's right. That's good. You do it. You do you.
I thought the skinny part goes in the
people,
inside of the
you know
eye.
what? People always question that. Either way, I say it's whatever is comfortable for you.
Like
you know, you could also put that on your forehead, your smile lines. They're going to help with the fine lines and wrinkles. They've got niacinamide for brightening, and they're going to help with the hollow skin under your eyes. They're really amazing from MediHeal.
You're going to be extra pretty today.
Yeah, there we go.
Keep them on for 20 minutes. Keep them on. Then after we finish.
I'll be ready for the Cub Sock series.
Yes, exactly.
Instead of my under eye black, I'll wear this.
Right. And now we're going to talk about the hottest new in-office professional treatment. And you're going to freak over this.
What is it?
It's called the Zerf. So this is going to tighten your skin. It's going to boost the collagen. But what's so special is that there's no numbing cream, no downtime, no needles. It's extremely tolerable. Celebrities are loving this treatment. So you can find a provider near you at zerf.me/Chicago. Now look at those before and afters.
Wow.
So when they do it around the jawline, just after 1 or 2 treatments, you see that snatched before and after. Great for men and women. The Zerf is like the hottest new ticket in town. So definitely take advantage if you like a tolerable in-office treatment.
Okay, and what do we have here finally?
Now, Ryan, this is a razor. This is the Scara. It's amazing because it will literally adjust to your fingers. So you can get the closest shave with no nicks, no cuts. It creates the most luxurious, elegant shaving experience for men and women. This is the body. They have a face cartridge as well. So if you want that dark, relaxing skin, skin experience in your shower, use this razor. You could literally shave in the dark and you don't have to worry about it.
And worry about cutting.
Right, the Scara. So you can adjust it up and down. You do this right here. Up and down. And also it adjusts right here with this lever to the thickness of your hands, and you just shave like that. Isn't that so cool?
Okay, and then what else do we have?
So now we have for feet, this is a foot balm from Earth Therapeutics. It is so hydrating. It repairs cracks. They're doing an amazing code for 20% off with the code WINDY20 on earththerapeutics.com. And in addition to the foot balm, they have these incredible aloe infused socks. You need to feel these. These are the most moisturizing. They will also help extend the life of head care. I have multiple pairs. My daughter Hazel also loves these. You guys, when you try these, you're not going to want to take them off.
And will our audience try them?
Well, actually, you will.
Getting a pair. And Val is giving me a foot massage after the show. Beautiful. Thanks,
we
Nicole.
do it every Friday.
All right, for more information on these deals, head to our website, abc7chicago.com.